Do narcissists feel guilty when they abandon you?
Well, they may feel regret and they may fear your retaliation, but they basically don't want to have to leave the party that they're on now, the new party, because they may have replaced you and are having a good time with who's ever replaced you in their constellation. So they don't want to be made to feel guilty. So when you try to point out to them what they've done to you and how their behavior had such an impact on you, be expecting a lot of blame because they want to rewrite the history and make this your fault. You're not the victim after all. They're the victim because you're making them feel guilty. So they flip it and they attempt to rewrite the history so that they can, you know, the laundry list comes out of all the things that you supposedly did wrong.